Here's exactly how to launch an AI song and get streams in 7 days. No fluff, no theory, just the strategy that actually works. I tested this exact method with 12 AI tracks over 3 months. The results surprised me. Some songs absolutely flopped. Others took off like crazy. The difference between them was not the music quality, it was the launch strategy. Every single time. Let me break this down step by step, day by day. Most people think releasing AI music is a lottery. Upload to Spotify, cross your fingers, hope for the best. That is not a strategy. That is gambling with your time. Here is what actually gets results. Here is the full 7-day plan. Day 1. Finish your song in Suno AI. Do not rush this part. Get the generation exactly right. Use the extend feature to build a full song structure. Verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, bridge, outro. Most AI songs sound unfinished because people stop at 2 minutes. A real song needs structure. Listeners can tell the difference. If the vocals glitch or warble, regenerate them. If the instrumental sounds muddy, try a different style prompt. Your final track must sound professional. No excuses. Day 2. Create your cover art. You do not need a graphic designer. Use free AI image tools. Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva AI, whatever you have access to. Keep the design clean, keep the title readable. Dark backgrounds with bright text work best on streaming platforms. Remember, every streaming thumbnail is tiny on a phone screen. Your cover art must pop at postage stamp size. Test it. Day 3. Set up your DistroKid release. This step is where most people completely mess up. Do not upload today for release today. That kills your chances. Set your release date at least 4 weeks into the future. I know you want to go live tomorrow. I get it. Resist that urge. Spotify needs processing time on their end. The algorithm needs listener data before release day arrives. A 4-week lead time is the difference between streams and total silence. Day 4. Submit to Spotify for playlist consideration. This is completely free. This is absolutely crucial. Never skip it. Log into your Spotify for Artists account right now. Find the upcoming release section. Hit submit for playlist consideration. Pick the one most accurate genre. Not the most popular, the most accurate. Pick the right mood tags. Chill, energetic, melancholic, whatever fits. Write a compelling pitch. Tell the editors why listeners need this song. Spotify editorial curators actually read these submissions. I have seen it work firsthand. Day 5. Build your pre-save campaign. A pre-save is a link that fans click before release day. When the song goes live, Spotify automatically adds it to their library. This signals directly to the algorithm that people want your music. Use a free tool like Feature.fm or DistroKid Hyperfollow. Share that pre-save link everywhere you possibly can. Put it in your social bios, in your posts, in your direct messages. Every pre-save counts as an engagement signal before day 1. Day 6. Create your short-form video content. You need at least 3 short videos ready to go. Number 1. A teaser of the song, maybe 15 seconds. Number 2. A behind-the-scenes of how you made it. Number 3. A direct call to action for release day. Record everything vertically. Keep each video under 30 seconds. Show the song playing. Show the cover art. Show your process. Caption everything on screen. Most people watch without sound. Post on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, all 3 platforms, all on the same day. Build that momentum. Day 7, release day. This is game day. Check your DistroKid dashboard first thing. Confirm the song is live everywhere. Post your final short-form video. Celebrate the release publicly. Reply to every single comment. Engage with every share. Be present. The first 24 hours matter more than the next 6 months combined. Spotify watches exactly what happens when a new song goes live. Strong first-day engagement pushes you into algorithmic playlists. Release radar, discover weekly, radio, daily mix. Once you are in those, the streams compound week after week. This is not magic. It is math, and it is momentum. Here's what I learned doing this system 12 times. The best song hit 42,000 streams in the first month. The worst song barely cracked 50 streams. Painful, but educational. The ones that succeeded all shared one common factor. They were in genres with massive playlist ecosystems. Lo-fi hip-hop, chill beats, ambient electronic, study music. These genres have thousands of user-generated playlists. AI pop songs with generic love lyrics. Nobody playlists those. Hard lesson learned. Now let me share the real numbers. Across 12 songs released over 3 months. Total streams, 114,000. Not bad for AI-generated music. Total royalties, about $340. That is not retire early money. I am not claiming it is, but it is real income from songs I made in a few hours each. The top track alone hit 42,000 streams. That one song generated over $110. It took me about 3 hours total to create and launch it. Do the math on that. over $35 per hour of work. And the best part, the catalog keeps earning, month after month after month. Now here is the one thing you absolutely need to make this work. You need a distributor that gets your music on every platform. Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, TikTok, YouTube Music, Instagram, all of them, all on the same release day. I use DistroKid for every single release. It is the